good to me. But where is Ricky? We need to put a backbeat behind that.
A backbeat?
I think Ricky went out for coffee.
I guess he's back. How you feeling, Ricky?
Yeah, I'm smashing. I mean, fine. I'm just fine, Daddy-o.
Well, then let's do it.
I mean, that was tight.
Sounded all right, but I know my drummer when I hear him. So who are you, boy?
Okay, I admit it. I'm not a bluesman. My name's E.B. I'm just some guy off the street with 2 sticks of wood and a dream. I understand if you throw me out. I get it if you don't want to give me a break.
Hey, slow down, friend. You know, we have a buddy who's always on the lookout for new talent. And the man is a genius. He is the godfather of entertainment. And he's having auditions tomorrow.
The Hoff? You mean he can help me?
If you like you.
Wow, thanks, blind boys.
Good luck, little rabbit.
Wait, how did you know I was... Clever gents.